the richest YouTuber on the world. In a world where making videos used to be just a hobby, one person has turned it into an empire. We're talking hundreds of millions of subscribers, billions of views, and a net worth that rivals some of the biggest celebrities on the planet. Today, we're diving into the story of the richest YouTuber in the world. 𝐵𝐵, also known as Jimmy Donaldson. How did he do it? What makes his content so magnetic? And what exactly is he doing with all that money? Stick around, you're in for a wild ride. Who is Mr. Beast? Jimmy Donaldson, better known as 𝐵𝐵, was born on May 7, 1998, in Greenville, North Carolina. He uploaded his first YouTube video in 2012 at the age of just 13. Like most creators back then, his early content was all over the place, from Minecraft videos to worst intros on YouTube compilations. The big break. His first viral hit. A video where he literally counted to 100,000. Yes, you heard that right. It took him over 40 hours, and the video has since racked up tens of millions of views. It was weird, hypnotic, and oddly brilliant. Business empire. Let's talk numbers, because this is where things get insane. As of 2025, 𝐵𝐵 has over 370 million subscribers across all his channels, including 𝐵𝐵 Main, Beast Philanthropy, 𝐵𝐵 Gaming, 𝐵𝐵 Reacts, international dub channels like 𝐵𝐵 and 𝐷𝐵𝐿, and more. And get this, his estimated net worth is around $500 million. That's right, $500 million. But it's not just YouTube ad revenue fueling his bank account. 𝐵𝐵 has turned his brand into a full-blown business empire. Let's break it down. 1. Beast Burger. In 2020, he launched 𝐵𝐵 Burger, a virtual restaurant brand that exploded overnight. Partnering with existing kitchens, they served his fans through delivery apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash. At its peak, over 1,700 locations worldwide. 2. Feastables. Next came Feastables, his line of snacks and chocolate bars. What started with a simple 𝐵𝐵 bar evolved into a full range of products. And unlike Beast Burger, this one is in retail stores like Walmart and Target. 3. Beast Games, TV plus streaming. He's now breaking into streaming platforms with Beast Games, a high-stakes reality competition series. Think Squid Game, but real and legal. 4. Sponsorships and investments. Why people love Mr. Beast. So what makes 𝐵𝐵 different from other YouTubers? Well, for starters, he reinvests nearly every penny back into his content. He's transparent with his audience. And most importantly, he gives back a lot. From donating cars and houses to giving away millions of dollars to strangers, his generosity is core to his brand. And it's not performative either. In 2020, he launched Beast Philanthropy, a registered charity channel where 100% of ad revenue goes to people in need. He's helped fund food banks, build wells in Africa, and pay for life-saving surgeries. Future plans. So what's next for the richest YouTuber in the world? 𝐵𝐵 has hinted at starting his own theme park, building Beast Studios, a media production powerhouse, and even running for president someday. Seriously. He's also expanding his global presence. By dubbing his videos in multiple languages, he's tapping into billions of potential viewers across Latin America, Asia, and Europe. At this rate, he could become the first YouTube billionaire. And the crazy part, he's still in his 20s.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel or more videos like this. Thanks for watching.